Place your hands on your heart and affirm, I operate on a higher heart level now. And now you experience the higher heart opening, that familiar cloud of rose pink love in action, exploding from your chest, from your higher heart space into your auric field. We ask you to visualize that all of you awakeners right now are sitting in your golden pink bubbles spread across the planet. There are wonderful golden streams of light connecting all of you, making a grid of awakening around your planet. There are golden lines coming into your field from all other awakeners in the grid. And this wonderful grid of awakening light surrounds your whole planet. All of you affirm joyfully, we are the awakeners. We are here to serve. We are the awakeners. We are here to dissolve fear into love. We are the awakeners. We are here to co-create the new earth. And now from this golden grid of light that you are co-creating together, all around your planet, you send this frequency up into the Ascension Grid. Into the Ascension Grid. High up in the atmosphere of your planet, you see this perfect geometry lighting up in a beautiful pink. And this is like a pink electric light, streaming your wonderful fragrant cloud of pink from your own beings up into the Ascension Grid. And it lights up. It lights up and activates. Unconditional love now streaming down through all aspects of your 3D world, including the 4th dimension. This unity consciousness that is now streaming through the 4th dimension is dissolving fear and opening hearts into love. And as these lower astral spheres of the 4th dimension are dissolved, you perceive that the upper echelons of the fourth dimension are a gateway into the fifth, sixth, seventh. And you are opening this gateway now. And going back to the beginning to assure that you understand what you are doing. You are connected with each other. All awakeners on your planet are connected in a golden grid now. And you are streaming higher heart energy through your being, your whole auric field and greater light body up into the Ascension Grid. All of you in the golden grid are streaming unconditional love up into the Ascension Grid. And you are activating it. And the Ascension Grid is lighting up and assisting all of you in the awakening of all others who are still sleeping on your planet. You are melting, dissolving all lower aspects of the collective consciousness in 4D. And you are transforming your fourth dimension into a higher dimensional gateway in which we, the Pleiadians, in which the Syrian Brotherhood of Light, in which the Arcturian Councils, the Lyran Councils, the Galactic Federation, the Ascended Masters, in which all awakened beings are now accessible to those who have been asleep. We ask you to affirm joyfully, we are opening the gateways to all higher dimensions in our galaxy. We are activating the Ascension Grid in order to awaken others. We are co-creators of the new Earth, based on love, kindness, and cooperation. It is our greatest joy to be of service. And so it is. For some moments you will continue this visualization, dear ones. The visualization of all awakeners on your planet connected in a golden grid. And of waves of brilliant, beautiful, soft, pink energy rising through the atmosphere of Earth, lighting up the Ascension Grid. And as this grid wakes up even further, activates even further, It streams fifth dimensional frequency down onto your planet, assisting all those that slumber still, all those in zombie land, all those trapped in fear. All are assisted now in this wonderful work of co-creation. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is. Namaste.